Some people will come and tell me, you know, you have to be careful. Abuja is not a river state. People say, look. Please, take this your advice. I'm aware that Abuja is not river state. That's why it's called Abuja. And that's why river state is called river state. Supervising over the territory of a place. What is there? What's different? Being able to say that things must be done in the right way. What is wrong with that? Being able to stop people of, look, let me tell you something. I was the council chairman. Remember, I was the council chairman. And one of the most important local government in Nigeria. So I've dealt with civil servants. I moved to be chief of staff, so I know. I've been a minister, I know. I went back to one of the most known states in Nigeria, so I know. There's no amount of blackmail or trying to say whatever that was changing. No, I know. I know the gimmicks. I know it. So, my target is what the Mr. President said he wants. This is what he wants for FCT. He wants FCT to look like a city compared to other cities in the world. He wants people of FCT to feel happy that there is a government, to have confidence in his administration. It is my duty to make people, yes, believe in him. Whatever he does, he will do through us.